Hey collectors, here is a look at Stratos from the cartoon collection line of Masters of the Universe, and I would like to thank Way of the Scorpion for this link in the description below. Check them out. At the back of the box, we see an illustration where the staff of Avion, the accessory that Stratos comes from, plus the other characters for this wave of the cartoon collection line. Out of the card back, Stratos comes with a mini comic book titled Perilous Power, and here he is on his clamshell with the staff of Avion at the back. And again, before you can get the figure off the plastic tray, you have to cut the plastic straps that wraps around the figure. I suggest cutting the plastic straps on his wrist and on his ankles at the back to avoid damaging the figure. And here is Stratos out of the plastic tray. The figure stands around 6 inches tall and is fully posable. Like all other figures for the cartoon collection line, the body is mostly just repaint and some additional accessories to make a new character. And here is the backside of the figure. It is very simple, like what you can see Filmation did in the cartoon series. The wings that are attached to his wrist can be rotated wherever you want it to be positioned during posing of this figure. So it's up to you whether to put it at the side or at the back of his forearms. Once you find the center of balance for the figure, you can put him in some simple action poses. But again, I don't suggest you leaving your display without any support because a little nudge and this toy would certainly fall down on your display. Technically, Stratos is a humanoid, so the body back for the cartoon collection line fits him. And for size comparison, here he is with Han Solo from the Empire Strikes Back film, Star Wars Black Series, and Steve Rogers Captain America from the Endgame film, both figures by Hasbro. With Vash the Stampede from Trigun the anime series by Jazzwares, and Buzz Lightyear from Toy Story by Bandai Model Kit. With He-Man and Skeletor from Masters of the Universe Filmation line by Super 7. And finally with Ram Man and Duncan Man-at-Arms from Masters of the Universe Cartoon Collection line by Mattel. And with that, thank you all for watching and see you all again next video.